What is going on, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back. So this is just going to be a quick little video. I forgot to mention on the previous video about this saw, this M18 14-inch top handle saw. Well, I didn't forget to mention it, but the original recording that I did on TikTok, I went to go put something in the description, and a message notification for somebody messaged me popped up as I was clicking on the description, and it automatically opened that, and the video vanished. So I ended up having to remake that last video for you guys. And the original video, I did mention that they're about the this saw comes in two different versions. It comes in a 12-inch top handle and a 14-inch top handle, because this case actually does show that on the tag. Right here it shows 12-inch and 14-inch top handle chainsaws. This case is 49, 16, 27, 46. Again, just to provide that information again. But so the in the haste of remaking the video, I forgot to mention that you can turn this into a 12-inch saw. So if you do buy the 14-inch top handle saw, which is $299, the 12-inch top handle saw is actually $339 right now. And so there's no deals on the 12-inch saw. But the 14-inch saw is on a deal right now for $299. So if you do end up picking up this 14-inch top handle chainsaw from Milwaukee, if you do need a 12-inch version, instead of spending $339 on the 12-inch version, what you could do, spend $54 on the Milwaukee 12-inch bar, and then spend $29 on a 12-inch chain. And then you could just take the 14-inch bar and chain off, put the 12-inch bar and chain on, and you're good to go. So the 12-inch and the 14-inch top handles, they both use the exact same motor. So the exact same power head, it's the same, no matter, or I should say, I should correct myself. The power head is the same no matter if it's the 12-inch saw or the 14-inch saw. So I just wanted to kind of like put that out there. I'm sure you can also buy the 12-inch bar cover too, which would be all you have to get. I think the bar covers, if I remember correctly, like for an example, you can get the, like this 6-inch M12 hatchet right here. You can get this bar cover for like $7, and the 8-inch you can get for that one right there. The 8-inch, you can get it for the focus on this new phone is incredible. But you can get the 8-inch cover as well. I think it's $10 for the 8-inch cover. It's $6.99 or something like that for the 6-inch. But I'm pretty sure from the last time I was at Home Depot, I saw the 12-inch bar, 12-inch chain, and the 12-inch cover all in the same area next to the chainsaws. And I recall seeing the 14-inch bar, the 14-inch chain, and the cover also at Home Depot. But that's another option. In my personal opinion, that would be the option I would take, instead of buying another one of these cases and then another one of these saws, but just having the 12-inch. I would prefer to just get the 12-inch bar, 12-inch chain, and the 12-inch cover, and just put them in here. The chain will fit in here. You can put the 12-inch bar right here, and you can put the chain right here, and just leave it in the plastic case. And should be good. That way you basically have two saws in one case. Unfortunately, I tried to test to see if the M12 hatchet or the M18 8-inch hatchet would fit in here, and they won't. But you can fit three 12 amp hour batteries in here, as long, like I said in the previous video, as long as you don't put the Forge battery right here, because this case is molded for the high output 12 here. And then you could put, you know, a 12 on the tool and a 12 sitting in here, and you would be good to go. I do have another 12 Forge, so I could technically go grab that and show that there's three 12s in here, but I don't want the video to be too long for you guys. But I just wanted to give that information. Just a quick little tip that if you don't want to, if you end up getting this saw for $2.99 and you really just wanted the 12-inch version, but you weren't willing to spend the extra like $39 for that saw for the 12-inch version. Yeah, it's $39 if you buy the whole saw as a 12-inch. But if you already have the 14-inch, for the people that already bought this saw, maybe when it first came out, or maybe already bought it, but you kind of wish you had a 12-inch bar, just go grab a 12-inch bar and a 12-inch chain. So it's $54 for the bar, and it's $29 for the chain. And I think the cover's like $15 for the 12, I think. I don't remember. But yeah, you know, so you spend like $100 and you now turn this saw into a 12-inch saw, and you have it available as a 14-inch saw. So that's the only other information I wanted to provide for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.